In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design the payment page for Tutorlms. Getting your payment page set up correctly is crucial for offering a smooth experience for your users, and today we'll guide you through the entire process using Paymatic. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to install the Paymatic plugin. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Plugins on the sidebar. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. A search bar will appear, and you'll need to type in Paymatic. When you've found the Paymatic plugin, go ahead and click the Install button. Once installation is complete, make sure to activate the plugin. This activation kickstarts Paymatic's functionalities, allowing us to build the seamless payment page you aim for. Now that we have Paymatic set up, let's move on to creating a payment form. In the dashboard, find Paymatic and select All Forms. Look for the Add New button and give it a click to start your form creation process. Here, you'll have the choice between starting with a blank form or selecting from one of the pre-built templates. If you're looking for maximum customization, a blank form might be your best bet. However, pre-built templates do save time and effort for specific use cases. With Paymatic's drag-and-drop editor, you can add the necessary fields for your payment form. Include product details, select your preferred payment methods, and any additional custom fields you think are necessary for a comprehensive form. Once your basic structure is set, it's time to move on to customization. Customizing your form to match your branding and theme ensures a consistent and professional look throughout your website. You can add custom CSS directly into the form's settings to get the colors, fonts, and spacing just right for your needs. Don't be shy about tweaking this section. Small changes can significantly enhance your user experience. After you've dressed up your form, it's essential to preview it. Take a good look to see if everything aligns, is visible, and looks appealing before going live. Finally, we come to embedding the form. Paymatic will generate a shortcode specifically for your form when you save it. Simply copy this shortcode. This series of brackets and letters may seem simple, but it's the key to your form appearing live on your site. Navigate to the exact page or post where you want the payment form to take center stage, and simply paste the shortcode there. With the shortcode in place, your payment form will be integrated seamlessly into your website, ready for transactions. And there you have it. Your payment page is fully designed and functioning using Paymatic. Whether you're new to web design or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step process is sure to guide you in setting up a payment page that not only looks good, but performs brilliantly for your users. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.